Hello, my name is Jason Wilkinson, and I am an elementary social studies manager at DC Public Schools Central Office. I'm here to introduce you to your next third grade social studies distance learning plan for weeks 4 and 5. For this next learning plan, we are going to be learning about the geographic and physical features of Washington, D.C. in order to answer the compelling question, what does Washington, D.C. look like? At the end of the next 2 weeks, you're going to respond to this compelling question by designing your own map of DC. Your map is going to include some of the items that you learn about in this unit, like DC's geographic features, physical features, and some of the landmarks that are important to you. But first, let's think about the compelling question. What does Washington, D.C. look like? If you're like me, your first step is to really think about this question and what it's asking us. Maybe you think about your favorite park, or the swimming pool where you first met your best friend. Or maybe you think about the Smithsonian and all of the interesting museums that you visited over the years. In order to provide a great response to this question, I want you to think about all of those past experiences as you read through this unit's sources. In supporting question 1, what geographical features are important to DC, we begin by reading about types of maps that describe the natural features of certain areas. As you read through the first article, How to Read Physical Maps and Review Topography Maps of DC, think about your favorite areas in DC and how you might describe them to others using one or more of these maps. To respond to the supporting question, please answer the question on page 9 of the distance learning plan. Next, we are moving to supporting question 2. What human-made features are important to DC? Where we read about physical maps and see examples of maps that showcase the human-made features of DC. If you're like me here, you're going to be surprised by how familiar many of the examples are. To respond to the supporting question, please answer the questions on page 14. Now it's time to put all of your new knowledge to the test and respond to this unit's compelling question and performance task. Remember, you are going to create your own map of Washington, D.C. that will include some of the features we studied over the last 2 weeks. Maps should have a title, a legend, cardinal directions, 2 of DC's geographic features, 2 of DC's human-made features, and 4 landmarks that are significant to you. If you would like, you can use any of your past classwork from DC history and geography to help you along the way. After you're done with your map, write 2 to 3 sentences to reflect on the things that you chose to include in your final product. Thank you for your hard work during this period of distance learning. Please know that your teachers and I are extremely proud of you.